Hi guys, I'm back with yet another makeup tutorial and I certainly hope that you'll enjoy it. And let's start. First off, I'm starting out with the E.L.F eyelid primer and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid so that my eyeshadow can last a bit longer, and I'm using my fingertips to blend it out. Then I'm going in with a Bobbi brown eyeshadow, and this one is called Desert Rose. And then on top of that, I'm going in again with Bobbi brown, and this one is called Cocoa. Then with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Hans, and this one is more like burnt orange. Then using my fluffy brush just to blend it all in together. Then I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Roxanne, and this one will kind of like help to soften that those two shades that we applied previously. Making sure I go back again with that eyeshadow called Cocoa just to balance things out. Then I'm going in with the eyeshadow called Obsessed, and this one is more like a champagne shade, and I'm going to use it to highlight my brow bone as well as the inner tear ducts of my eyes. Then using my previous fluffy brush without adding any more product, I'm just going back in to blend in the highlighter as well as the other eyeshadows that we applied, just to blend them together so they can be even. Then going in my favorite LA Girl gel, LA Girl black gel, and that's what I'm using to line my waterline as well as my lash line on the top lash, whatever you call it. Then I'm just gonna wing it out a bit more than I usually do. Then blacking out my lower lash line with the same gel liner. Then I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Mascara. Then just using my fingertips to apply my lashes. Most often I feel like I use my fingertips. It feels a bit more secure than me using tweezers or eyelash holder or eyelash applicator. Yeah, so it works for me. Guess whatever works for you, let it be. Then now I'm going in with the LA Girl primer spray before applying my foundation. Then I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation. Then I realized it was a bit too bright for my complexion, but hey, I figured I can always balance it out later. It would have worked best as a highlighter, but hey, I got this. so I just decided to distribute the foundation I had on previously all over my face. So next I'm going in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation. And this one is actually darker than my complexion, but I figured light and bright can help balance things out, and it did. It actually worked. So no regrets. Your girl's got this. So next I'm going in with the E.L.F Healthy Glow bronzing powder, and this one is called 110, just to bronze out my cheekbones. Then on top of that I'm going in with the MAC powder blush, and this one is called Franklin. Then on top of that I'm going in with the Sunkissed Bronze Architect, and I'm going in with that shade called Highlight. Highlighting my cupid's bow and sides of my cheeks, as well as the bridge of my nose. And on top of that I'm going in with the E.L.F translucent powder just to set everything up. Then I'm going in with the Essence Instant Matte Setting Spray. Then for my lips I'm going in with a lip liner from Essence, and this one is called Big Proposal. Then I'm going in with the lipstick from E.L.F Cosmetics, and this one is called Nostalgic. Cleaning up the sides of my lips, blending it out with my fingertips, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, bye guys.